So I got this sander from MaxXT, I think is how you say that, or MaxXT, and I got a job coming up. So I just thought I'd show you what's in the box here. I have a cement mixer from this company and I really like it. So this is a drywall sander with a hose so you can keep all the dust down. So we got a job coming up. Got a nice feel to it, and the hose hooks up right here. Pads go here. Got a lot of ports for sucking in the dust. That's what comes in the box. All right, so we got the cabinets out. We still got to remove all this flooring. We're kind of trying to get all this stuff that was a little bit sort of loose on the wall chipped off, and then we got to eventually seal this up. But I'm going to use a sander and hopefully see if it works to help clean some of this up. It's for hand sanding drywall mud, but we're gonna see if it helps us with this loose paper situation. So that was an 80 grit. I'm not sure what this even is, what the kind of pad this is. It's not like, it's kind of like sandpaper. I think it's drywall paper. And that really cleaned all that up. And there's no dust in here. So that did a great job. And it was pretty easy to hold on to, the way it's ergonomically made. And this also has speed, so you can slow it down if you want a slower orbital pattern or whatever. You can plus and minus speeds it up, slows it down. Yeah, worked really well for that. And that's not what it's really for, but it sure did a good job.